Okay, next. A metal sphere with a specific gravity of 3 originally weighs 34 kilograms. Underwent a process of recasting and was formed into a solid cone with a base radius of 6 centimeters. Assuming 12% of the metal was lost in the process, what is the perpendicular height of the new cone? So the idea is, meron daw sphere, okay, to be converted into a cone. Okay? And of course, if you are going to convert this into a different material, bali dapat yung volume, no, ng original material will be the same once you convert it into a different shape. Okay? However, merong sinabi na 12% daw yung nawala dun sa material during recasting. So meaning yung volume nito, bali babawasan lang natin ng 12% and yun yung magiging bagong volume nitong cone. Okay? But the question is, what is the volume? Kasi ang binigay lang sa atin ay specific gravity, which is 3, and then binigay yung mass, which is 34 kilograms. Okay? So dito, gamitin siguro natin yung concept ng, o nga pala, no, binigay rin pala yung radius nito. So this is 6 centimeters. Okay, so ang pinapahanap sa atin yung height. Okay, so tapos yung volume dapat nito, volume ng cone ay equal lang sa 1 minus 12% ng volume ng sphere. So kailangan natin malaman kung ano yung volume ng sphere muna, no? To calculate that, let's do the concept of density. So alam natin na ang density ay equal sa mass divided by volume. So gawin natin itong mass ng sphere, volume ng sphere, at density ng sphere. So sa density part, dapat balikan natin na ang density ng kahit anong material ay equal lang sa specific gravity ng material multiplied by the density of water. Okay? O di kaya yung specific gravity is equal to the density of material divided by the density of water, no? And working around from there, makukuha mo na yung density ng material equal sa product ng specific gravity and density ng water. So now, we can plug this in here. So specific gravity times density ng water ay equal sa mass ng sphere divided by the volume of the sphere. So from here, we can definitely solve, no, the volume of the sphere. So lagi ko lang ng value. This is 3. This is 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter. And then this is 34 kilograms divided by the volume of the sphere. Okay? And we can solve for the volume of the sphere in cubic meters. So we will have 34 divided by 3,000, no? So that gives me 0.011333. 0.011333 cubic meters. Okay? So, ang gagawin ko dito, i-convert ko siya sa i-convert ko siya sa centimeters because ang given sa atin na dimension is naka-cm. So, potential yung tinatanong dito na height is naka-cm din. Okay, so convert lang natin, madali lang naman yan. So, di ba sa isang metro, merong 100 sentimetro. Tapos naka-cube, so kailangan lang natin i-cube, no? So, ang volume ng sphere ay magiging 1 times 100 cube. So that gives us 11,333.33. And this is in cubic centimeters. Okay? So, therefore, ang volume ng cone will become, multiply lang natin ito ng 1 minus 12%. And that gives us 9,973.33 cubic centimeter. And then, ipasok lang natin yung volume ng cone, no? Di ba ang formula ng volume ng cone is 1/3 pi times radius squared times yung height. Okay, and if you plug in yung value ng radius, which is 6, tama, no? Ang binigay ay radius. Ayan. So, be careful na minsan kasi diameter. So, para lang sigurado. So, dito, we should be able to calculate the altitude. Times 3 over pi over 6 squared, and that should give us 264.55 centimeters. So from the choices, we can accept letter B, no, for our answer. And that's how we solve this problem.